Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to learn JavaScript faster. Begin by grasping the fundamental building blocks. Focus on understanding variables, data types, and operators. Next, dive into control flow, mastering if/else statements and various loop types. Finally, learn how to define and use functions to create reusable code. This foundational knowledge is crucial for building more complex applications and will set you up for rapid progress. Once you have the basics down, it's time to apply your knowledge through practical projects. Start with simple applications like a basic calculator or a to-do list. These projects solidify your understanding and expose you to common programming patterns. Additionally, tackle coding challenges to sharpen your problem-solving skills. Don't forget to utilize browser developer tools. They are invaluable for debugging and understanding how your code runs. To truly accelerate your learning, delve into more advanced JavaScript concepts. Asynchronous programming using promises and async/await is essential for modern web development. Understand how to manipulate the document object model, or DOM, to make your web pages interactive. Furthermore, actively participate in the JavaScript community. Online forums, meetups, and open-source contributions offer immense learning opportunities and networking benefits. Learning JavaScript is an ongoing journey, so commit to continuous growth. Keep up with the latest features, frameworks, and libraries as the ecosystem evolves rapidly. Regularly read official documentation and explore various coding styles to broaden your perspective. Remember, consistent practice and curiosity are your best allies. Also, for those who love to read and learn on the go, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.